Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Quick update on Bitcoin price action this weekend. Weekends usually have the lowest trading volume, but lately they've closed positively with an average gain of 1.38% on Saturdays. For today's candle, that would mean a price of $102.7 thousand, which is where we peaked earlier. If you had entered a trade on the 15-minute time frame from Friday, you'd still be up plus 1.24% spot profit as of this recording. Unfortunately, I didn't take the trade myself because I didn't trust the higher time frames. They've been looking weak. Overall, Bitcoin is still ranging between $99,600 and $101,500. The lack of momentum suggests that price action may stay subdued, especially over the weekend, so I'm staying sidelined. Looking at the one-day liquidation heat map, the picture is uncertain. The brighter the band, the greater the liquidations. On the upside, from $104,000 to $106,000, there's a significant wall of short liquidation pressure. If Bitcoin pushes above $102.7 thousand, whales and market makers could push the price higher to liquidate those positions, making this a critical resistance level. On the downside, between $97,000 and $100,000, long liquidations could amplify selling pressure. But if buyers step in at these levels, we could see a bounce, possibly establishing it as support. Currently, Bitcoin is consolidating near $101.5 thousand, which is a key battleground. A break above this resistance could lead to a run toward $106,000, while a break below support could bring $97,000 into focus. Both levels align with the yellow horizontal lines marked on my charts. The strategy here is to closely monitor price action around these key levels. The $97,000 to $100,000 zone could provide opportunities for longs, but remember, this is also where whales hunt for liquidations, so manage your risk accordingly. On Friday, Bitcoin ETF inflows were massive again, totaling $430.7 million, led by BlackRock's IBIT, contributing $394 million. Compare this to Grayscale. Everyone celebrated their $20 million buy on Wednesday, but by Thursday they dumped $48 million, and on Friday they offloaded another $105 million. Despite this, the overall ETF inflow trend remains bullish, averaging nearly $500 million USD daily. This consistent buying power is giving Bitcoin a strong tailwind for the long term. Zeus Network just validated the first Bitcoin transaction on the Solana network, enabling cross-chain liquidity between Bitcoin and Solana. Using Solana Bitcoin SPV, they created a representation of Bitcoin's blockchain on Solana and locked Bitcoin in a hot reserve for security. This opens up new possibilities for Bitcoin liquidity on Solana, and Zeus plans to bring 1% of Bitcoin's liquidity to Solana by mid-2025, with other assets like Dogecoin and Litecoin to follow. I'll continue monitoring the charts and keep you updated. If we see a dip to lower levels, I might look for an entry. Otherwise, patience is the name of the game for now. Join the Discord for real-time updates and trading thoughts. If this video helped, give it a like. It helps with the algorithm. Click subscribe and click the bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.